Hello everyone, let's continue with compiler design. So in compiler design, we'll discuss about the grammar that can be ambiguous or that can be unambiguous. Or another thing that grammar that can be the left recursive or it can be the right recursive. Left recursive or it can be right recursive. And grammar that can be deterministic or non-deterministic or it can be non-deterministic. Okay, if grammar that is ambiguous, there is a problem, right? If grammar is ambiguous, there may be the problem. Another thing, if grammar is left recursive, there may be the problem, right? So next thing, grammar if it is non-deterministic, there may be the problem. ओके, तो ग्रामर अगर एम्बिग्यूअस है तो वहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. इफ इट इज लेफ्ट रिकर्सिव, देर मे बी द प्रॉब्लम, और दैट इफ इट इज नॉन डिटर्मिनिस्टिक, देर मे बी द प्रॉब्लम. And some of the parts are they don't accept this ambiguity, left recursiveness, and non-deterministics, right? Or non-determinism, it is not acceptable. Okay, so here we have seen what is the ambiguity. Another thing, what is the left recursion and right recursion. Next we'll discuss about the non determinism. ठीक है, तो नॉन डेटर्मिनिज्म क्या होता है उसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. लेट्स सी, there is a grammar given. If it is a goes to alpha and beta 1, alpha beta 1, alpha beta 2, alpha beta 3, right? Alpha beta 1, beta 2, beta 3. Okay, so in this case what will happen? So in this case what we require the alpha beta 3, right? Alpha beta 3. So it may be that by reading this alpha we think that this is the beta 3, alpha beta 3, right? So it may be that it is alpha, after that it is beta 1. So we will scan, it is generating alpha, after that it is beta 1, right? But it is not the actual thing we are looking for, so we need to do the backtracking. ठीक है, फिर से बैक ट्रैक करना पड़ेगा. अगेन विल चेक फॉर द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्शन, then it is a, then alpha, then beta 2, and we'll check for this one, it is alpha, then it is beta 2, right? Again there is a requirement of backtracking because it is not the actual string we are looking for, right? So again it may be required the backtracking, तो फिर से backtracking करनी पड़ सकती है. next time क्या होगा, it will be alpha, then beta 3, right? Then it is generating alpha, after that it is beta 3. So this is what the string we are looking for, right? But what is happening, we are confused here for choosing the right production. ठीक है, कौन से वाला प्रोडक्शन चूज करना है, right? We are confused. Why? because because of the common prefix, because this one and this one and this one, they all are same, alpha are the same in the all the productions, right? So due to these prefix, this is what a non deterministic, right? This grammar is what non deterministic. This grammar is non deterministic because of the prefix. ठीक है, तो प्रीफिक्स की वजह से क्या हो रहा है, इट इज नॉन डिटर्मिनिस्टिक, बिकॉज हर एक का प्रीफिक्स क्या है, सेम है. सो पार्सर इज कंफ्यूज्ड, राइट? तो यहाँ पे क्या है, कंफ्यूजन हो रही है. और अनदर थिंग, what we are looking for alpha, then beta 3. But what we are checking only the prefix. ठीक है, we are checking only the प्रीफिक्स, तो प्रीफिक्स चेक करेंगे तो क्या होगा, दे ऑल हैव सेम प्रीफिक्स, राइट, इट मीन्स इट इज नॉन determinism, right. There is a non-deterministic because there is a choice, we don't know which one is the right production we are looking for, ठीक है, तो कौन से वाला प्रोडक्शन सही है जिसके लिए हम देख रहे हैं, है ना, तो ये पता नहीं चलेगा। इट मीन्स ये जो प्रीफिक्स की वजह से क्या आ रहा है, नॉन डेटर्मिनिज्म आ रहा है, इसी को क्या बोला जाता है, दैट इज नॉन एज लेफ्ट फैक्टरिंग। तो इसी को क्या बोल दिया जाता है, नॉन एज लेफ्ट फैक्टरिंग। ओके, तो ये क्या है, these prefix are the left factors, right, and here in this grammar there is a problem of left factoring। okay, so is it clear till this part? Okay, clear, fine. So what is the next thing? Next thing is the removal of the left factoring. Let's see the removal of left factoring. Removal of left factoring. So removal of left factoring, we can say here, what is the problem, this prefix is the problem or this factor is the problem, right. So firstly what we require the alpha, right. So what we can say here, a goes to alpha, right, a goes to alpha, after that it is a dash, ठीक है, a goes to alpha then a dash, from a dash what we can generate, from a dash once we are getting alpha, after that we can get beta 1 or beta 2 or beta 3, okay. So after that what we can get beta 1 or beta 2 or we can get the beta 3, okay. So finally this is what the that grammar, for this grammar having the left factoring, right, this grammar having the left factoring, but in this grammar there is no left factoring, right, no left factoring. So here this is known as the removal of the left factoring, okay. तो ये क्या है, that is the removal of the left factoring। ओके, तो ये क्लियर है, रिमूवल ऑफ लेफ्ट फैक्टरिंग, इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल? Okay, fine. So let's see the next grammar and try to remove the left factoring, okay. So we'll take the next grammar and try to remove the left factoring. Here it is, s goes to I E T S, or it is I E T S E S, or it is A and E goes to B, E goes to B. Okay, this E is the capital. Just a minute. So this is what capital. Just a minute. Here it is capital E, and here this E is capital, but this capital nahi, ye small rahegi. Yes, now it is correct. So this is the grammar key one. Firstly, tell me, in this grammar there is left factoring or not? Yes, in this grammar is there left factoring? Okay, so which portion is the left factoring? Can you tell me which portion is the left factoring? Yes, right में तो होगा, but can I say I is the left factor? Okay, चलो ठीक है, it's okay. So here left factoring is there. Okay, तो अब इसको simplify कैसे करेंगे? Removal of the left factoring. Let me do the removal of the left factoring here. So here left factor is I, E, T and S. I, T, E, I, E, T and S. Till this part it is the common thing in both the productions, right? I, E, T and S. Here also it is common, means this is the prefix portion, or we can say alpha. जो पिछले वाले एग्जाम्पल में हमने अल्फा लिया था वो क्या है, ये वाला पोर्शन, राइट? तो इसको इसमें क्या हो गया, दैट दीज थिंग्स आर सेम, इट मीन्स देर इज ए लेफ्ट फैक्टरिंग, राइट? तो यहाँ पे क्या है, लेफ्ट फैक्टरिंग है. अब क्या करना पड़ेगा, विल हैव टू रिमूव दिस लेफ्ट फैक्टरिंग. रिमूवल ऑफ लेफ्ट फैक्टरिंग. Here it is a removal of the left factoring. Just a minute. Okay, so here this is for the alpha. Firstly we are looking for this portion, right? So we can say it is S goes to I, E, T, S, right? I, E, T, S, and this S can be replaced with S dash, right? तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, it become S dash. Now this S dash will generate what, the remaining portion, इसका remaining portion और इसका remaining portion ये वाला, right? और यहाँ पे कोई लेफ्ट फैक्टरिंग नहीं है तो डायरेक्टली जनरेट करेंगे S goes to A. Here it is S goes to A, right? What S dash will generate, S dash will generate this remaining portion and this remaining portion. This remaining portion is nothing but null, so S dash that will generate null. Or here it is ES, it will generate ES, right? And another thing, that E goes to B, so we'll take that as it is, that is E goes to B. Finally this is what, the removal of the left factoring. Okay, so here it is the removal of the left factoring. So is it clear? Next one. So next example for left factoring, that is the last example. After that, left factoring is over. So here it is, s goes to a double s, then bs, a double s bs, or it can be as asb, or it can be a bb, or it can be b. Okay, this is the grammar given. Now in this grammar, is there any left factoring? And what is the left factoring here? ASSB, or what? Okay, A is the left factoring. Mukesh saying it is AS is the left factoring. Okay, let's do the removal of the left factoring here. So what is happening here? Here A is the prefix, that is the common part firstly, right? In these three productions, this one and this one, A is the common part. Means this is what the that left factoring. Okay, A is common, that's why it is a left factoring. Let's remove this one firstly, and after that we'll check that there is a left factoring or not. Okay, so what it can be? It can be s goes to a, because left factoring is a. Firstly generate this a, so s goes to a. After that we'll take s dash a, and we'll take s dash. Another thing, we can generate directly b, it means we can take b here. Okay, from s dash what we can generate? From s dash what we can generate? We can generate the remaining portion of this one, and this one. It means we can generate double s bs, or we can generate as b sasb, yes, sasb, or we can generate double b. Okay, we can generate double b. Okay, after doing this one, tell me, is there any left factoring? Right now in this new grammar, is there left factoring? यस, ये जो नए वाली ग्रामर है इसमें लेफ्ट फैक्टरिंग है क्या? Yes, again there is a left factoring, so we need to remove that left factoring again. How to remove that one? Let's see. So what is the left factoring here? Left factoring is, here it is s, and again here it is s. This is what the left factoring. तो इसको क्या करना पड़ेगा? रिमूव करना पड़ेगा. हाउ टू रिमूव दिस वन? लेट्स सी. तो पहले अपने को क्या जनरेट करना है? एस डैश से हमें एस जनरेट करना होगा, राइट? सो वील जनरेट एस फ्रॉम एस डैश. सो वी कैन से इट इज एस डैश गोज टू एस, and after that we'll take s double dash, right? It is s dash goes to s, then s double dash. Then from s double dash what we can generate? From this one we can generate, okay, another thing, what is the direct things we can generate from this one? Directly we can generate bb, so we can take this one bb. ठीक है ना? तो इस वाले में क्या था? लेफ्ट फैक्टरिंग बन रही है, राइट? इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. तो फाइनली एस डैश से क्या किया? एस डबल डैश, देन इट इज बी बी. ओके, देन एस डबल डैश कैन जनरेट व्हाट? इट कैन जनरेट द रिमेनिंग पोर्शन. that is SBS, SBS, and it can generate the remaining portion of this one, that is ASB, ASB. Okay, so this is what the remaining portion we have generated. Finally, what is the grammar? So finally we can say that final grammar is what? Just a minute. Final grammar is this one. It is S goes to A S dash B, then S dash goes to this one. S dash goes to S double dash B B, and then S double dash goes to this one. S double dash goes to S B S, then A S B, right? S B S, then A S B. Finally, this is what the grammar, right? And here there is a left recursion or not? Check, verify this one. Is there any left recursion? Sorry, left factoring. Is there any left factoring? Yes. So after this step, there is no left factoring in the grammar. Finally, this is what the removal of the left factoring. Okay, so is it clear to all? सो हियर लेफ्ट फैक्टरिंग इज ओवर. ठीक है, तो लेफ्ट फैक्टरिंग ओवर हो गया है और नाउ नेक्स्ट विल स्टार्ट द पार्सर. ओके, सो नाउ विल स्टार्ट पार्सर. Parser. So what is parser? For parser we can say that the process of deriving the string, the process of deriving the string from the given grammar, from the given grammar is called derivation, or we can say parsing, right? That is called derivation or parsing. Next thing, the person who will do derivation, is called parser. The person who will do derivation is called parser. Okay, so finally we can say the process of deriving the string from the given grammar is called derivation, or we can say parsing. The person who will do the derivation is known as parser. ठीक है, तो उसको क्या कहेंगे? पार्सर कहेंगे. Then what is the type of parsers? Let's see. So parsers we can say that can be top down parser, or it can be bottom up parser, right? parser, that can be top down parser or it can be bottom up parser. For the top down parser, again it can be with full backtracking, full backtracking, with full backtracking, or it can be without backtracking. Right, with full backtracking, or it can be without backtracking. Right, again this without backtracking, it is two type. One is the recursive descent parser, recursive descent parser, or it can be non recursive descent parser. Non recursive descent parser, that is LL1 parser. Right, that is LL1 parser. What about bottom up parser? For bottom up parser, we can say it is two type. One is the not a two types, काफ़ी टाइप्स के होते हैं. वन इज द ऑपरेटर प्रेसिडेंस पार्सर, ऑपरेटर प्रेसिडेंस, ऑपरेटर प्रेसिडेंस पार्सर, operator precedence parser. Another one is the LR0 parser,